Hello everyone, my name is Simran Bhatia and my poster is titled No Crown, No Problem. Let me start with a question. Do all endodontically treated teeth really need a crown? Traditionally, yes. Crowns have been the go-to option for post-endodontic restoration. But what if we could avoid full coverage crowns and preserve the natural tooth structure and still maintain long term function and strength? That's exactly what biomimetic dentistry aims to achieve, restoring the tooth in a way that mimics the natural biomechanics. And that's where FRC, that is fiber reinforced composite, play a game changing role. In this case, a 36-year-old patient presented with a non-vital mandibular molar. So instead of prepping for the crown, we restored the tooth with a direct FRC buildup thanks to the sufficient remaining structure and patient's interest in a conservative option. We followed the biomimetic protocol, etched, bond the surface, laid a flowable base, then inserted the fiber reinforced core, simulating dentine's elasticity. Finally, we did a cusp by cusp build-up using enamel shade composite for anatomical accuracy. This restoration was completed in a single appointment under isolation with high bond strength. At a 6-month follow-up, as you can see, the tooth showed no signs of fracture, debonding, or marginal breakdown. Clinically successful and aesthetically pleasing. So, why fiber reinforced composite? Number one, because they align beautifully with the biomimetic principles. That is, they provide internal reinforcement without removing the healthy tooth structure. Second reason, they blend like dentine under stress. Third, they allow us to treat teeth from within, not just over the top. In a sense, this approach allows us to restore the tooth, not replace it. So, the next time you're planning a post endodontic restoration, ask yourself, can I skip the crown and still do what's best for the tooth? Thank you.